In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the wind. Beautiful life, woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift, to paint with love and laughter.
Ever wished your forehead was smaller? Stop right there. Your forehead is your secret superpower. Seriously, your big forehead means more room for ideas, expressions, and showing off that gorgeous smile. Celebs rock them, geniuses have them, and you can too. So hold your head high, embrace that space, and remember, confidence looks good on every forehead.
Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift, to paint with love and laughter. Sometimes we stumble over thorns, but they are the ones who teach us to value flowers. And when the rain falls, washing away our sorrows, we learn that the rainbow always comes later. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift, to paint with love and laughter. And when twilight paints the sky pink, we thank you for the memories, for the hugs, for the journey that shapes and transforms us. Beautiful life, you are the song that never says goodbye, never says goodbye. Beautiful life.